both debates where the Attorney General was present. In one debate, he fully participated because of the other place. In the other one, he was present, Mr. Speaker, where undertakings were given by the government, and a member of the government has confirmed that fact. So let's move on. Let's move on to something that is much more dangerous, Mr. Speaker, because what I have just spoken about there is common knowledge. Let's move on to something that is not common knowledge, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, an independent senator made a statement which is published in the public domain with respect to the Attorney General, the subject of this motion, and the whole question of the timeline with respect to the publication of the legal notice that gave effect to the proclamation and the Gazette that had the legal notice as a supplement, Mr. Speaker. And I have the actual documents in my possession, Mr. Speaker. I have legal notice number 8 of 2012, which is legal notice number 348, which has on it, it's written on it, Legal Supplement, Volume 51, number 142, 30th August 2012. I also have in my possession, Mr. Speaker, the Trinidad and Tobago Gazette, Volume 51, number 142, which has on it the date 30th of August 2012, Mr. Speaker. I also have a printout, Mr. Speaker, from the government website with the archives of the government Gazette as of 2012, Mr. Speaker. Now, Mr. Speaker, it's a little known fact. It's a little known fact that you can do some forensic work and establish exactly when a document was created. You see, somebody can put any date they want on the document, but each document has a digital signature, Mr. Speaker. And you see, Mr. Speaker, being aware of the fact, I was aware of that fact, not in the way that the Attorney General appears to be unaware of the undertakings given by the government with respect to this legislation, but I was aware that every electronic document has a digital signature. And you simply perform certain commands on your computer, and you will get a screen coming up telling you the time and the day on which the document was created. So having downloaded the legal notice number 348 and the Trinidad and Tobago Gazette number 142 and the archives of the Gazette, Mr. Speaker, I then did the necessary input on the computer to find out when were these documents created. Legal notice number 348, which has on it a date of 30th August 2012, was created on the 3rd of September at 8:41 a.m. Trinidad and Tobago Gazette number 142, which has as a supplement the legal notice that was created on the 3rd of September, was created on the 6th of September 2012 at 12:42 p.m., Mr. Speaker. And the Gazette was archived, last modified before publication, because you have to understand these notations. The last date of modification is prior to the actual availability of the document. Gazette number 142 of 2012 was last modified on the 10th of September 2012, yes, the 10th of September 2012, at 5:41 p.m., Mr. Speaker. What this means, Mr. Speaker, it means that the proclamation was still being worked on and finalized by the government printry up to 5:41 p.m. on the 10th of September 2012. But the applicants were before the court on the morning of September 10th, the same day, Mr. Speaker. So when the Senator McKnight said that she went to the printry and she discovered that the date was 10th of September, even though it is not printed, Mr. Speaker, the digital signature proves that the document was last modified on the 10th of September 2012. Now, I never said that. Never said that.